This is only adorable because he's an indoor cat and will never see a real bird. I wouldn't get a bird anyway because he likes feathers too much, but it is so cute when he's playing. But like I said, it's only cute because I know that will never be a real bird that he's playing with. So I can just I can just enjoy the adorable. Bleh. Sorry, it's been a week of Gish and I'm not entirely awake yet. Yeah, you like feathers way too much for Mama to get a bird. Goodness. Ooh. And then he needs a break for a bit. Yeah, ignore the mess, by the way. Like I said, it's been Gish week. It's like, oh, it touched me. What do I do?